Hey guys, it's Logan with Strictly Business Gaming, and I'm here to do a tutorial on installing a program called Rainmeter, and basically it's a program to customize your desktop with whatever you want. So you can see here I got a little Skyrim theme going on, got like a clock, CPU usage, how much memory I'm using, free space on my hard drive. And then like all of these things over here, so like I can go straight to my computer, my documents, Minecraft, just kind of stuff I use over here. You can shut down my computer from right there. It's just like everything's customizable. And this program is called Rainmeter. Here's what it sort of looks like. You install Rainmeter, and then it comes with this default skin is what it's called, and you can put things onto your desktop such as this clock, and it just you can move it wherever you want. It's basically to customize your desktop, whatever you want to do. And then people can go on and make custom skins other than this default one, and then you go and find these and download them, and you can put pretty much whatever you want on your computer. This Skyrim one was just kind of one that I found and decided to mess around with. I like it. So now that you kind of know what it is, let me show you how to install it. Alright, so now that we got a clean template here, I've uninstalled Rainmeter, and I'm actually on a new account on my computer. You can open up Google Chrome or whatever web browser you have, and just go to Google. Just type in Rainmeter, and I'll probably put the link to the Rainmeter site in the description for all you lazy people out there. It's just the first one right here, and right here you got the download spot. They have betas, but it's usually almost a lot safer to go with the final version here that's been tested, and they guarantee that this version here is going to work. So you can just go ahead and click download, wait for it to download, then go ahead and run the installer here. Click on English. Just do a standard installation. I'm on a 64-bit computer, so I'll do the 64-bit version. I'll launch Rainmeter, and I'll go ahead and keep that checked, send information about my computer, and you can just leave that as default. Just hit install, yes to any pop-ups or whatever, and then it's done. Then you can hit finish, minimize that, come down here, click on that little raindrop, and you got Rainmeter, and it'll have this first default skin here. If you come down here and open these folders, there's a clock. You can hit load, and you can just play around, move all these different things. This one will like open your C drive when you click on it, so it's kind of useful. But these default ones, they don't look very good. And you got a welcome screen thing here, and it's just, there's not much functionality to it. So you might be wondering, well, where did I get my Skyrim theme, and how can I get cooler ones? You can just right click on these and unload the skin if you don't want to do it manually over here. If you go back to your web browser and go back to Google and just go to Rainmeter skins, because that is what these different things here are called. You come to this first site, it's called customize.org/Rainmeter, and you get this big list of skins, and you can come over here and say browse Rainmeter skins, and there's just an abundance of user-made skins. Some of them don't really do much, but you can just kind of pick one out. Looks like there's a sunburst clock here. You hit download file, and you can, it should come. I'll just show you with this one, I guess. Hopefully it works. It comes with a folder here. It has like this little green, or file here with this green raindrop. And if you just run that, it basically installs the skin automatically for you. And then it'll pop up. So I got this clock now, and I can move it around. It shows the time. I think that's correct. And then you can come over here and go to manage skin, and that'll show your skins here. You can, when you have it clicked on the object you want to edit here, you got all these options. You can set the coordinates manually, so if you know an exact place you want to put it, you can see they're changing as I move this around. You can change its position, so if it's on you want it to be on the desktop at all times, you just put it there. If you have it as a normal thing, it can go on top of other windows like that. When you drag it, you could have it. There's just all those different options. Then you can change the transparency of it, so if you don't want it to be as overpowering as other things. And then if you have the transparency set to 60, you can say on the hover, when your mouse hovers over it, you can say fade in, so when you come over it, it'll like fade it in to full opacity. And then when you have everything where you like it, you can unclick this draggable checkbox, and then it won't move whenever you try and drag it. So if you got everything perfect and you don't want to accidentally drag things around, you can do it that way. I'm not going to show you right now how to do my Skyrim skin that I had. I'm going to do that in another tutorial because it might take a while to explain. This is just kind of like an intro to Rainmeter. Maybe get some ideas going that you might want to do. You can go look at those skins, try it out for yourself. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. See you later.